Hi, my name's Elaine. I'm a nurse by profession and I'm a step 4 trader. I've been with the program for more than a year and it has been really good. I appreciate the support of the coach and we do have a community. So yeah, on my way to reaching my goal.
Hi, I'm Nick Joseph. I'm a project manager by profession. I've been in the program since February 2017. I'm a step 4 trader at this point. I quite love the program, especially for the great support within the community and the coaching that comes with it.
Out too early.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And I leave a lot on the table where I'm starting out.
That's
to
what you're
take
chipping
more.
away at.
That's what I'm chipping away at. Yeah.
And
Hi, my name's Paul. I've joined the program about 6 months ago and I've been in the corporate sector for around 25 years. Very excited to be here. The things that I looked for when I was choosing the right company and people to work with was the fact that I wanted someone that I could rely on and a coach that would be there for me on a consistent basis, and I found that through the trading coach and through Ron. I'm learning how to trade Forex. I love it. I've reached a good level so far and I'm looking forward to the next journey. Thank you.